Yep, it's Christmas time again. Here we are. And I have decorated the kawaii room for Christmas, as you can see. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated my kawaii room for Christmas, and I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and comment and like, and after watching this video, check out any of my other videos if you wish to. And yeah, it's finals week, guys, so I am like slightly half asleep, but I'm here, so I got you a fun video. I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Let's go. So I just ran upstairs and carried up all my Christmas decorations because it is time. Are you guys ready? Decorating my kawaii room for Christmas. And I ran up all the way up the stairs because this is exciting. So yeah, let's do it. I got it. Let's put it up. Let's put up the tree. Yeah. And the first piece. All right, that's it. That's Christmas. We're good. Put up half a tree. Good to go. Yep. I'm kidding. Next part, here we go. As I am putting this up, it is much tall and taking up a lot of space. I once put a Christmas tree up here. You think I should put it here? Let's try it. It would look cool, but that's not cool. So we're putting it back at its spot. One moment, please. Now we'll go to level 3. Oh my gosh, this is massive. I forgot how big this is. I forgot how tall this is and how awesome it looks. What? I gotta fluff out the branches and stuff. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Right, come on, sneeze. It left. Are you kidding me? Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out the branches and make it look fabulous. So yeah, here is what I'm listening to now, and drumroll please. Here's the fluffed tree. It is time to plug it in. I must find all of the plugs. Oh my gosh, this thing's massive. Oh, I'm running out of room in the kawaii room. I had to move these bags and like everything else. Like, look, there's those cute little makeup bag boxes. And Barbie suitcase. And oh my god, Christmas! Okay, okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Let's go ahead and plug this in, shall we? Woohoo! You guys ready? 2 2.5, 2 4/5, 2 75/5, 2 oh, you want me to plug it in? Okay! Look how beautiful it is! Da-da-da-da! It is time for the most important part, and that is decor. So much cuteness! Let's get started! So here's what it looks like now. I realized I'm going to have to stop and finish this when I come back, unfortunately. But I'm excited, so I guess I'll see you guys this evening to finish up decorating this beautiful Christmas tree. So yeah, let's see you then. It'll be long for me, but short for you, yep. And since I'm leaving, it's probably a good idea to unplug this one. Just for safety. Yep. Wonder if filming at night looks good. We shall find out later. But anyways, tree and stuff. Okay, friends, so it is now the evening, as you can see. I'm going to plug in the tree, and we are going to add some ornaments to it. So yeah, let's plug it in. Da-da-da! That is very bright. It adds a whole bunch more light. Ornament montage! Got all this cleaning up to do. I will see you guys tomorrow for the full reveal and outro, which for you should be like a few seconds, like right now. So yeah, also I ran out of ornament hangers to hang the clean ones and Fluttershy. I'm sorry, it's okay. I don't think we need Roger Taylor's face on an ornament this year, although he is very cute. So yes. Why is it not focusing? Focus! Hello? One moment, please. So here it is. Here's the finished product. Da-da-da-da. I may move some ornaments around and tweak it here and there a little bit, but isn't it beautiful? We got Minty on top, and then we got My Little Pony ornaments, little itty bitty ornaments, and just fun things. And here's Tinkerbell and unicorns. So yeah, it's so pretty. And of course, Hello Kitty. So yeah, and Rainbow Dash. Yep. And of course I put more ponies and more unicorns and more pony ornaments and more vintage ornaments and an alpaca. So yeah, I guess on to the outro. Well, anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's super fun video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and check out my eBay, Instagram, Twitter, P.O. Box, all that stuff down below. I hope you liked my Christmas tree decorating video. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!